Hello everyone, 1:21 p.m. Saturday, April 26, 2025. I normally don't make videos 3 days in a row, but in this case I made an exception because the weather outside is actually very nice. But yeah, so far the weather has survived. But yeah, it was confirmed that because like the salvage attempts Monday, Tuesday didn't work, and on Wednesday, Thursday was like high winds, and on Friday they couldn't get out. That's why they weren't unable to remove it by this weekend. So like, but Monday they said they're gonna try again to see what else they can do. But yeah, also some updates as people want to know. Yes, the wreck is now gone. The ladder is now gone. Much of the railing, same thing. The ones on the starboard side actually fell out of the ocean. Only these two remain of what's left there. Although you can see some, like a pole, I think, from one another. There's the barge that they try to use. And you can see even here the waves are washing away some of the graffiti. So that one of a dog, it's pretty much been washed away. Or I think that may have been scratched off by the barge, since it is tied. Yeah, the roof is pretty much destroyed. Because remember, they 15th Vandals removed the top deck. They cut down the captain's deck, and even the original deck, as you can see here, it's just lying on its side. What was in between is now gone. And so yeah, there's pretty much nothing left here, other than the collapsed sections and the barge. So yeah, it looks like people are coming up. So yeah, that's all I can say. So let me move to the stern. Here is that view right now. Right now it's 1:24 p.m. So yeah, same day. So you can see with the stern, some more vandalism and graffiti as well. And also you can see the deep thaw with the tide. You can kind of see the corner that, like if you look very closely, there's like that corner that's like brownish. Yeah, because that was underwater for a while. It's October, and so like when they tried floating it, they tried tilting it. That's only to try to make it as even as possible. Obviously it didn't fully work. But now like the boat's pretty much done. And you also clearly see that they did cut it half flat. It's in order to try to pull out the fanless. But yeah. And the barge here is pretty much just hitting and scratching the boat because with the tide right now, there's nothing else here to protect the boat, except maybe the ship that's it's of. But even still, the barge, I'm not sure if it's, hopefully it's there by Monday, because then that'll be more of a loss. But yeah, I know the donor is gonna pay for removal, so yeah. But yeah, but given the tide, and the fact that there's still a hole in the boat that hasn't yet been filled, I'm not sure how much longer this boat would even survive. Will it even be removed intact, or will they have to cut it on the side? That's the question. So yeah, not much else I can say. So like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye.